Hi, I'm Juan from Las Vegas, USA. I'm an international boxing promoter from the US, and I've trained and fought more than 200 international sports contestants across the world who've participated in different boxing competitions organized in different countries, such as USA, China, the Philippines, and others. Renowned analyst, strategist, and media panelist, Mr. Mishra, Sir, and GES Global Event Seminars are hosting a global level career training and seminar for youth, students, and professionals on December 8th, 2025 at Talkatora Indoor Stadium in New Delhi, India. He's a trainer as well as a well-renowned face and subject expert analyst who's been featured on various TV panel discussions, and he's done more than 15,000 live analyses to date. It's my request that all students and youth from across the world join this training program because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and it comes rarely. You can expect myself, along with my other American sportsmen, as well as other renowned global fellow sportsmen and sportswomen, to answer questions from students who are interested in making a career in global sports. There will be a question and answer session during the training program. So don't forget to book your tickets as soon as possible. Let's meet in the ring of India's biggest global education training ring. All the best. Thanks.